So good morning, class 8 children. Let's continue with the worksheet number 26, chapter number 13. So already yesterday we have discussed first of the worksheet number 25. Now it's the second one. First question is tick the most appropriate options. Which of the following are the effects of noise pollution? Yes, Tanya.
All of these.
Okay. All of these is the answer. So these all are the problems related with the noise pollution. Next is sound can't travel through either solid, liquids, vacuum, gases. Yes, Neha.
Ma'am, vacuum.
Next, which one of the following materials will reflect sound better? Thermocol, steel, curtain of a cloth, paper. Yes, Pravseft, Ananya Kahara. Switch on your cameras, each one, and give me the answer. Akshita. Thermocol, steel, curtain, paper.
Ma'am, may I give?
Yes, tell.
Steel.
No. Soft. This will be a curtain of a cloth. Soft clothes, soft thing absorb the sound better. Next, there are two bottles of glass. One bottle is 2/3 filled with the water. Another bottle is filled 1/3 with the water. When we blow across the mouth of each bottle, then what will happen? The bottle with less air in it gives a note of higher pitch. The shorter the air column, the higher the pitch. Both 1 and 2 are correct. Second is correct explanation of 1. So just read this question carefully and give me the answer. Only 1 is correct, only second is correct. So the options are there. These are the reasons and assertion. Chaitanya, you can give the answer. First and second. Bottle with less air in it gives a note of higher pitch. And second line is shorter the air column, higher the pitch of note produced. Air column agar chote honge, like the holes will be smaller, then the pitch will be higher. Is it like that? Anyone? Yes, tell me, beta.
Ma'am, can I?
Yes.
Ma'am, the answer would be A part. Both 1 and 2 are correct, and 2 is the correct explanation of 1.
Yes. So the A part is the right answer. Both are correct. Okay. Next, number 5, inverse of frequency. Anshika Agarwal.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Ma'am, time period.
Time period. Yesterday I told you time period and in frequency. Both are inversely proportional to each other. Next, RM Singh. Which of the following correctly describes the pitch and the frequency of the sound of a girl's scream? Low pitch, high frequency. Low pitch, high frequency. Low pitch, low frequency. Tell beta which is the right option for it.
Ma'am, can I tell?
Yes, wait beta. RM Singh.
Ma'am, high pitch, low frequency.
High pitch, low frequency. Anybody else? Yes, Tanya, tell.
Ma'am, high pitch, high frequency.
Yes, high pitch, high frequency. So should I erase? I hope each one of you have done it.
Ma'am, wait.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's continue with the next part. High pitch, high frequency, 6 का D part आएगा. Next, complete the following statement. The range of audible frequency for human ear is. Yes, Shivanshi Rastogi. Alanya Kahra. Frequency of human ear. Aryan Singh. Anya. Tell me.
Ma'am, 20 to 20,000.
Yes, Akshita, tell. Aryan Singh, I'm asking, you are not responding. Aryan Singh.
20,000 hertz.
Yes, it's 20 to 20,000 hertz. But you need to speak out. (20 hertz to 20,000 hertz). Next, noise is produced by irregular vibrations.
I'm non-periodic vibration भी तो बोल
Yes,
सकते हैं.
both are same. Next, property of sound that is used by animals to find out their way and locate their food in. Which property of sound is there?
Echolocation.
I'm echolocation.
Echolocation it is. Yes, it is echolocation. Echolocation. Done, everyone? Till here? Is it complete?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, beta. Number 4. The two kinds of sound we can't hear are. Which
Ma'am,
kind of sounds we can't hear?
Ultrasonic.
Infrasonic, ultrasonic.
Ultrasonic.
Infrasonic and ultrasonic. You can write down. Infrasonic, ultrasonic. Dash of any kind are the principal source of
Ma'am,
production.
vibration.
Yes, vibrations. Next, quality of sound is called
Timbre and pitch.
timbre, or you can say pitch. Any of the word you can use for it. Musical instruments are categorized into 3 types. I think everybody know that.
Ma'am,
Yes, tell.
string instrument, wind
Ma'am,
instrument.
flute, string, guitar, and parasonic drum.
No, but you have to type
Ma'am,
types. You have
string
to.
instrument, wind instrument, and percussion instrument.
Wind, skinned, and percussion. Percussion instrument. Wind instrument, the example is, can I have the examples of wind instrument?
Flute.
Flute. Flute is the example of wind instrument. Mouth organ is example of wind instrument. What is the example of skin?
Ma'am,
Skin instrument,
Guitar.
stretched skin. Tabla, dholak, mridangam. Next, percussion.
Drum.
Drum. No, beta. Percussion,
guitar.
stretch string.
I'm guitar.
Sitar.
Yes, guitar, sitar. These are the examples of percussion instrument. Next, correct and rewrite the following statements. So, SI unit of loudness is hertz.
Decibel.
Frequency.
So, instead of hertz, SI unit of loudness, you can write down this is decibel, or you can correct it in another way. आप इसको another way में भी correct कर सकते हैं. That SI unit of frequency is hertz. If you want to change loudness, so loudness की जगह पे आप frequency भी लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है? Number 2, sound can travel in a vacuum.
And sound cannot.
Liquid, gas, and solid.
But
And sound cannot travel in a
yes,
vacuum.
you can change in 2 ways. आप अगर can को change करना चाहते हो, then to it's okay. And if you write down Sound can travel in vacuum को भी change कर सकते हो आप.
Ma'am, medium.
Yes, medium. Medium. It changes it that travels in a medium. Next, sound can produced by beating objects irrespective of whether they are vibrating or not. Sound can be produced by beating any of the objects. So what is wrong here?
And sound cannot be.
Beating object irrespective of whether they are vibrating or not. No, ये चीज नहीं आएगी. Irrespective of whether they are vibrating or not, because sound is produced only when the vibrations will there. So we can't say that irrespective of not vibrating, we can't say. So ये वाली जो चीज है हमारी, this is the odd one out, or not. Sound will always be produced by when the vibrations will be produced. Okay. Vibrations are always required. No other way is there. Next, why do women have shriller voice than men? Anya, will you give any answer? Roll number 1. Yes, Anshika.
Women have shorter vocal cord which vibrate more quickly and produces a higher pitch. That's why women have shriller voice than men.
Yes. So first answer is the why women have shriller voice than men, because women has the shorter vocal cord as men. So kindly write down the answer yourself. Have shorter vocal cords. Than men. Why do we not able to hear the screams of a bat?
And because
bat
hear
produce
infrasound.
ultrasonic sound and it is not able over hearing range.
Ma'am, because the
Because
frequency
human can
of
hear influence
that
sound
screen
where
is
cannot
you
hear
can
the
get 20,000
ultrasound.
hertz.
I think one has to speak on a
Ma'am,
time.
human can hear
Can
infrasound sound whereas cannot hear the ultrasound sound.
So you may write bat produces the ultrasounds, and that is not the humans are not able to hear, because the frequency of human ear, that is 20 to 20,000 hertz. Next is
Ma'am,
why-
because its frequency is higher than 20,000 hertz.
Yes, you can write down this also. Same you can write down. Why do astronauts fail to hear the sound of each other on the surface of moon? Kindly raise your hand. Astronauts are not able. Yes, Akshita.
Ma'am, because the absence of air.
Yes.
And because there is no medium for sound propagation.
Because on moon, there is no medium for sound propagation. Propagation means for sound travel. Next is, what is the difference between a music and a noise? Can music become noise sometime?
And can I tell Tanya?
No, other than Tanya, I need. Everybody can give the answer for this. Yes, Arav Segal.
Yes, ma'am.
Give the answer of this question. Difference between noise, music and noise.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, music have melody and noise is the irregular voices
Okay.
created by our own.
Any other difference you want to give? You can
Ma'am,
give the
can I
2 or
tell?
3 differences. You can give it. Yes, Varuni.
Yes, ma'am. Music is a sound that produces a pleasant sensation, but noise is an unwanted and unpleasant sound produced by horns or vehicles or by the machines.
Okay. One more question is there. Can music become sometime noise pollution?
Ma'am, yes.
How?
Ma'am, because if
Can
the
become
music
noise
is
when it
very
is too
high
loud.
pitched sounds, it will create into noise.
Okay, when the music is too loud and when especially when the person don't want to hear it. अगर आप म्यूजिक सुनना चाहते हैं, आपके पेरेंट्स नहीं सुनना चाहते, तो आपके पेरेंट्स के लिए ये नॉइस है, एंड फॉर यू इट इज म्यूजिक. एंड इफ यू आर प्लेइंग म्यूजिक एट द हायर साउंड, आपने डीजे लगा लिया है, so that
Ma'am,
without any reason I am asking for that. For occasions I am not saying,
ma'am,
so that becomes noise. Yes, beta.
ma'am, music becomes noise sometimes when it crosses the bearable range of sound
Yes, very
of
good.
our
When,
ears.
yes, good. When it cross the bearable range, then it becomes a noise for the person. Okay. Next question is, I think you can write down yourself this answer. Calculate the time period of a vibrating object if frequency is 200 hertz. So you need to calculate the frequency. You need to calculate the time period. Calculate the time period. How can you calculate the time period? Already I had told you how to calculate. Time period is equal to
Ma'am, time taken by number of
time
oscillation.
period is equal to 1 upon frequency. Okay. So क्या आ जाएगा इसका? Time will equal to 1 upon
200 hertz.
200. और जितना भी आंसर आएगा इसका, that the answer will be in seconds. Find it out. Number 3. इसको solve कर लीजिए, आपका आंसर आ जाएगा. An object completes 400 vibration in 10 seconds. Calculate its frequency. So frequency, you know, number of oscillations per second. But before doing it, you have to write down the formula for frequency. So for frequency, you can write down 400 vibrations upon time taken. That will be equal to how much?
40 seconds. 40 seconds.
40 seconds.
46.
Beta, we are calculating frequency. So answer will be in hertz. How you can say it will be in seconds? You need to take care of it. What you are finding, either the time period you are finding or either the frequency. Here you are finding the frequency. Then the units will be of frequency only. So this type of the questions can be there. Either find out the frequency or either find the time period. I hope each one of you have done this worksheet, or somebody is left.
Ma'am,
One
please wait
time.
for 1 minute.
So our both of the worksheets are complete, 25 and 26 related to chapter number 13.